Okay, folks, here are the instructions for your final exam. Your final exam is open from the 23rd to the 27th of January. So that's Monday, the 23rd, to Friday, the 27th of January. And I need that in by 2:30 on the 27th at the end of the day. So that's when I need it in so I can actually mark it. Okay, so that gives you a lot of time, and just if you look here quickly, you'll see that the exam is not an onerous task in any way. So let's go through part one. Part one is a reflection piece. So what I'm asking you to do is really to answer those three questions that you see listed there. What project or assignment are you particularly proud of and why? What project and assignment would you change if you had an opportunity to do so? And what project and assignment did you learn the most from this semester and why? And each of those should be answered in a minimum of about 200 words. And try your best to use proper paragraph form and to use as specific references as you can. Okay, to the work that you have submitted. So don't be general in this particular part. I want specific references as well. So a model or something way of preparing for you, it could be looking back at your reflection pieces and so forth that you've done, the three major reflection pieces. Part two is a personal essay. Now don't jump off a bridge here because it says essay. This is not a traditional English essay, and I'm not assessing it in that way. What I'm looking for in particular is again a reflective type of element to this, but it's structured in that 5-paragraph format. Okay, where you have a good introduction. You have a clear paragraph format. You give a point, then you give an example of that point, which is obviously your work. Okay, and then you explain how your example goes back to your point. All right. It's an informal essay. It's a personal essay, so I expect the pronoun I to be there. This is not like an academic essay that you would write on Macbeth or Great Gatsby or Romeo and Juliet. I'm not looking for that. Okay. What I'm looking for primarily is that you are to answer the question, what have you learned about yourself this semester through your writing? Okay. And I want that answered in 5 paragraphs. So, and when you're looking at a body arguments or something, like, try to find 3 things that you've actually learned about yourself. That's an easy way to approach this particular essay. Pick 3 things that you've learned about yourself. Doing this course, not just the course, but the fact that it's also online as well, which is very different. The course would look different if you were in front of me in a class every day. And it's been one of those things that it's not in front of a class, it's online, and so learn, really think about that one, and pick 3 things that you've learned about yourself, and then fashion that into, and again, not a big essay here. I'm looking at maybe 900 words with 3 or so pages in length. Okay, so not an onerous task in absolutely any way. You are free to email me or page me during that time as well, the 23rd to the 27th, if you have any questions or concerns while you complete your final exam. Good luck, folks, and I wish you all the best.